If your heart beats with love and your soul shines with faith, you're living the true gospel. In the Gospel of Mark, a teacher asks Jesus, "Which commandment is the greatest?" Jesus answers with profound simplicity. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, all your mind, and all your strength. But he doesn't stop there. He adds, love your neighbor as yourself. These are not just words, but a call to action. Loving God fully means loving others deeply. It means kindness in our hearts, compassion in our actions, and unity in our communities. Imagine a world where love and faith guide every step we take. A place where we lift each other up just as Jesus taught us. This is the essence of Mark 12:28b-34. Embrace this message. Let it inspire you to live a life of love and unity. Together we can make a difference. Together we can reflect God's love to the world. If you are inspired by this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.